Pag yung topic mo talks about obedience, you are automatically to be tagged as legalist. And ironically, and I say this to the people watching, you are advocating Satan's call. Throughout the Bible, speaks about obedience and repentance. The problem that we have right now in our church, and I say this with conviction, we are infiltrated. You know why? The very foundation na meron tayo, yung doktrina natin that is anchored in a perfect balance between grace, faith, and obedience is now being infiltrated by the apostate Protestantism. The doctrine of the sanctuary is our best contribution to the Christian faith, to the overall denomination of Christianity. Our sanctuary doctrine is a perfect balance between justification, sanctification, and glorification. The difference between the sanctuary of apostate Protestantism, Seventh-day Adventist has a perfect balance in justification, sanctification, and glorification. And in sanctification, we emphasize the cooperation between God and man. The apostate Protestantism minimizes all of those sanctification.